This luxurious mask offers intense hair repair targeting past tress trauma. Safeguarding against future damage. Its advanced hair repair technology helps repair split ends, and restore hair healthy look and feel. The package dimension of the product is 3.8 L by 3.8 WX2H. This luxurious mask offers intense hair repair targeting past tress trauma, and safeguarding against future damage. Its advanced hair repair technology helps repair split ends, and restore hair healthy look and feel. Top reviews from the United States. Holy grail of haircare products. Haven't done an overnight mask yet, because I am an obnoxious mover while sleeping, but I've done the 20 to 60 minutes masks and OMG they work. I've tried all the gimmick DIYs and beauty store masks with no results beyond one wash. This improves your hair every time you use it. I have thick bushy horsehair and this softens it like nothing else ever has. Even after having postpartum hair loss and frying it with hair color. This restores 100%. Smells friggin' amazing too. Lifetime user. I even bought the daily serum and my god ladies just get them both. Do it.